You have to count the candles.
7.
You're 7?
Yeah.
And what color are your eyes?
Blue.
And what did you get for your birthday?
An Xbox.
And do you think you can blow out all those candles with one breath?
I don't know.
I'll help you.
Are you gonna try?
First I need to think of my wish.
Can you stop making that silly voice?
That one's not any better.
One silly voice for another.
All right, we're gonna sing Happy Birthday.
No, we're not done yet.
We're gonna start now because it's taking a long time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Braden. Happy birthday to you.
And what kind of cake is this?
Tiramisu.
And who made it?
I think you.
Yeah. Okay. You made your wish?
I'm thinking.
Before they go off by themselves.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Hey.
It's gonna happen.
You know what this means?
What?
You need 7 birthdays.
Ah!